Hello everyone, CodePurpose here. Now we are going to go on and solve another exercise on CodeChef Beginner problems. So today's exercise is add two numbers. From the name it looks that it will be simple because adding two numbers is one of the first exercises on the programming languages. So let's see what we are being asked for. Shivam is the youngest programmer in the world. He is just 12 years old. Shivam is learning programming and today he's writing his first program. As we said, it's one of the first exercises adding two numbers. So the program says it's very simple. Given two integers a and b, write a program to add those two numbers. So let's see. The first line contains an integer t, a total number of test cases that follows the lines, and each line contains two integers a and b. So we need an integer variable t. Let's write the basic structure of a simple program. Include iostream using namespace std. Tell the compiler that we are going to use iostream library commands that are located in the standard namespace, and the main function which returns 0 if the program is compiled like it has to. And firstly we have to read t. Instead t will read n, which stands for number of lines. Also we need to have a and b, the two numbers. Let's read n, reading the number of lines. After that we are going to make a for cycle like in the exercise before this. So we declare I equal to 0, I is less than n. Okay, we'll get back there soon. So there are two possible ways to do this for cycle. The first one is starting from 0 and going to until n-1. Why that? Because if we have 5 numbers and we start counting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that would be 5. So we need to go until the fourth element. If we start from 1, we'll need to go to until 5. So we'd have something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if we start from -1, it would be -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we had to go until 3. So because we are starting from 0, which is the programmer's starting point, because all arrays, other stuff start from 0 counting. So we'll start here from 0 2. So in each cycle we read a and b. It should be greater e and b, and just output a plus b. And a new line. There's also another way how to output new line. Instead of end line, you can use \n, which is a special character and stands from new line. So let's get the needed input. We have 3 numbers, 3 cycles, 3 pairs of numbers, waiting to run it. Let's paste it. Okay, pasting is pasted. Let's put enter. So what's happening? We have 1 2. The result of 1 2 is nowhere. Let's write again manually. Something's Weird. We have three numbers. We have 1, 2. We have three. We had 100 and 200, which is 300, and we have 1040, which is 50. Okay, it works good. So let's take it to testing, where the CodeChef testing. Platform. Let's submit it and wait and see if we got a clear shot on this exercise. Yeah. And the exercise is solved in 0.00 seconds running time. That's perfect. That's all about this exercise. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button right below the like button. You can also turn on the notification by pressing the notification bell to don't miss the upcoming videos. See you soon with more better exercises. CodePurpose.